So you may have seen our electric front model of the Tribus. Today I'm just going to be talking you through our slide entry model.
So like the electric model, we've got positions for 4 wheelchairs in the rear here. With the sliding door entry, we have got 7 folding seats in the rear. To fold them away, you simply fold the seat up, pull the lever and swing it to the side. The beauty of this means that you don't have to remove seats to be able to gain wheelchairs in. It will save you a huge amount of time, resource, and it's obviously a lot more friendly for drivers and volunteers to be able to use. A 3-point belt system for all wheelchair users makes life so much quicker and easier as well. The other great thing about the Tribus model is its simplistic flooring system. The lever system here allows for all 4 anchor points to be released. These hook on to the wheelchair position, and then you step on this button, red button here, and that locks all of the anchor points in place. As you noticed, when the lever is up, it does give a warning system through strip lighting and to the driver in the front to let you know that a wheelchair position has not been secured. At EVM, we believe that everybody should be able to travel in comfort and style. Even with wheelchair users, we've got individual air vents through the ceiling for air conditioning and heating. That means that everybody can travel in comfort. As with all Mercedes, we have got the new larger head unit, GSR2 equipment fitted, and of course with every vehicle you're getting the 3 years unlimited mileage warranty through Mercedes-Benz. To make it as easy as possible for passengers to get on and off this vehicle through the side entry, it's also got an electric side step which will retract when the door is shut.